Today, I'm going to show you how to edit an invoice template in QuickBooks Desktop. First, open QuickBooks Desktop and sign into the correct company file. At the top menu, click Lists. Then select Templates. This opens the list of form templates in your company file. Find the invoice template you want to edit. Double-click the template to open the customization window. If you want to make basic design changes, use Basic Customization. This is where you can update the logo, adjust fonts, change colors, and refine the overall look of the invoice. If you want to control which information appears on the invoice, click Additional Customization. This lets you show, hide, or adjust fields and columns on the form. For example, you can control what appears in the header, columns, and footer. If you need more control over spacing or placement, open Layout Designer. This lets you move and resize different parts of the invoice so the layout looks cleaner and easier to read. As you make changes, review the invoice carefully. Make sure the design is simple, readable, and includes the information your customers need. Once everything looks correct, click OK to save your changes. Your edited invoice template will now be available when creating invoices in QuickBooks Desktop. And that's how to edit an invoice template in QuickBooks Desktop in 2026.